everyone, welcome back to Abhi's Tech channel. And this video I'm going to show you the Hedera Hashgraph live price prediction of previous 2 hour and 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button below and support us complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the Hedera Hashgraph price prediction of last previous 2 hour result. As you can see here, that is it's loading 2 hour result of Hedera Hashgraph. Oh my god, it's a good news for Hedera holder. As you can see here, the change is a positive 2.9 percent change positive for HBAR cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. The high price of the Hedera Hashgraph is 0.33122 $1 is the high price in the previous 2 hour of Hedera Hashgraph in the crypto market. As we can see the price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph, as you can see here, the currently they are jumping upward, so it's the best time to buy a Hedera Hashgraph and make a good profit with the Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hour of Hedera Hashgraph. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. As you can see on the screen, that is the live price prediction of previous 1 hour of Hedera Hashgraph. The change in the last 1 hour of Hedera Hashgraph is positive 0.15% change in the Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 1 hour. In the high price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 1 hour is $0.331221 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the currently. So it's a jumping time of Hedera Hashgraph. You have to buy a Hedera Hashgraph and make a good profit with the Hedera Hashgraph in the cryptocurrencies market. That is the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph HBAR cryptocurrencies of last 1 hour. You are watching now on Abhi's Tech channel, so kindly please subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies.